Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add shape to your video on KineMaster. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my KineMaster, and as you can see, I have created a project. And for example, I'm going to add shape to this video. If you want to add shape, first of all, we need to go to the layer menu and we're going to select the handwriting. Okay, and click on this pencil icon, and here you will be able to add the shape that you want. You can only add square and also circle and arrow as well, or line. And for me, I'm just going to add square. Okay, and before you draw a square on your video, you can change the thickness, customize the thickness right here, and then change the color. I'm just going to apply green color. Okay, once you're ready to draw it, you just need to draw like this on your video. Okay, and this is the result, guys. As you can see that these shapes have been added to my video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add a shape to your video on KineMaster. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.